So on this day, I just woke up feeling that I have to do this. I have to clean the poultry, and if I don't do it, no one will do it for me. This is my job, and I just have to do it. So I decided to clean the poultry, removing of the sawdust, which has now become manure. So I started by removing the drinkers, as you have seen. I got the sack where I'll be putting the wasted sawdust, which is now manure, yeah. And then I had the shovel to do the work. On this day, I was really serious. I was like, I just have to do this. Yeah, it's kind of, let me say, people may say it's disgusting and stuff, but I just encouraged myself that I just have to do it. This is me, I can do it. Yeah, it was kind of fun because it was a first time experience me doing this. Yeah, so it was fun and kind of okay. I won't really express how I was feeling, but it was fun. Yes, so I will show you how it went in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. Bye. See you in my next video.